we are going to have 4 teams of 2 people each. Our very first team is, actually my phone is not with me. I've given it to Arjun so that he's busy. I can't make out who was the first team. So first team, could you please introduce yourself? That was team Barsana. We have Daitya Pavan Prabhu and Siddharchana Mataji. Are you both here?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Barsana Dham ki
Jai.
Jai. Okay, the next team.
Radha Rani is always going to win.
Okay, let's see. Radha Rani's mercy is the most sought after. Let's see what happens today. Next, we have team
Nandagaon.
Nandagaon. And in that team, we have Hasuba Mataji. And her partner for today is
Shraddha Mataji.
Shraddha Mataji. Are you both here?
I'm here.
Shraddha Mataji, please turn on your video and your audio.
Yeah, Hare Krishna Mataji, I'm here.
Hare Krishna, Nandagaon ki Jai. Nandagaon to gaon nahi. Jai Shri Krishna. Next, we have the third team, which is team Govardhan. And our team members for Govardhan team are Amrita Mataji and Sneha Mataji. Are you both here?
Hari Bol.
Videos on, audios on.
Yes, Mataji.
Sneha?
Yes, Mataji. Hari Bol.
Okay, Hare Krishna. Giri Govardhan ki Jai. Giriraj Maharaj ki Jai. And the fourth team is the team Vrindakund. And there we have Lalita Mataji with her partner Yogini Mishra Mataji. Are you both here? Yogini Mataji and Lalita Mataji.
Hari Bol, Hari Bol.
Hari Bol, Hari Bol.
Hari Bol.
Vrinda Devi ki Jai.
Jai.
So we have 4 teams. Quickly we'll say, I'll let you know of the rules. There are 5 rounds of 4 questions. There are 5 rounds of questions. Each round has 1 question per team. I also would request someone to keep time. I am not able to do that. So is there someone who can volunteer to time the answers? 30 seconds time. Who can set on the timer and say Hari Bol when it's done?
I can do that, Mataji.
Okay. Anupama Madhvi Mataji is our timer. Mataji, after I say your time starts now, I read out the question and I say your time starts now. I give the options. I say time starts now. Please give them 30 seconds. So the questions are not transferable. Each right answer will give you 10 points. Anupama Madhvi Mataji, could you also track the score for the 4 teams? Thank you so much. So there is 10 points for the right answer, no minus points for the wrong answer, and the questions are non-transferable. Yes, I think all the rules are covered. Any doubts? If any other team member answers out of turn, please do not switch off. No switching off of videos by the participants. And if anyone prompts or says the answer out of turn, then you will get a minus 10. Any doubts, or are we ready to begin?
Mataji, can we discuss it with a partner?
Yes, you can discuss it. We would love to hear the discussions and the confusions and the solutions. So please do discuss it. It's a team effort. You are both our team. So please do take the consent and come to a consensus and then give the answer. So also that reminds me, I will choose a team captain from each team. So team Barsana, who's the spokesperson?
Siddharchana Mataji.
Siddharchana Mataji will give the final answer.
Okay.
Team Nandagaon.
Hasuba Mataji only.
Okay.
Yeah.
Team Govardhan.
Amrita Mataji.
Amrita Mataji. And team Vrindakund.
Yogini Mataji.
Yogini Mishra Mataji. Okay, so we are set. Please, may I have the screen sharing, please?
Revati Mataji, can you have more light in your room? The light is not coming on your face.
But anyway, it's going to be a screen share, so my face will not matter so much right now. This is the maximum light actually.
Okay.
This is the maximum light. Let me just get the PowerPoint on. 1 second. Okay, are we ready? Are you able to see the screen?
Not yet.
Not yet, not yet.
Okay, okay, share. 1 minute. Sorry, I'm a little new to this. Are you able to see it?
Yes,
Yes.
Mataji.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so the very first question for team team Barsana. How many verses have been spoken by Lord Krishna in the 12th chapter? 17, 18, 19 or 20? Your time starts now.
Prabhuji,
30 सेकंड है. भगवान कृष्ण ने कितने श्लोक बोले हैं चैप्टर 12 में?
Prabhuji 80.
20 ना माता जी?
सारे उन्होंने थोड़ी बोले, अर्जुन वाचा भी है ना. शुरू में तो पहला तो अर्जुन वाचा है, फिर सारे भगवान ने बोले हैं. आई थिंक इट इज 18.
18.
18.
Okay.
Time over.
Let's
Time
see.
over. Siddharchana
18.
Mataji, what is the right answer from your
18.
side?
18.
Let's see if that is the correct answer. हरी बोल. I'm so sorry माताजी, आपका लॉजिक बहुत सही था लेकिन मैथ्स में थोड़ा रह गया. एक श्लोक अर्जुन ने बताया था सबसे पहला, अर्जुन उवाच, तो बाकी रह गए 19 not 18 माताजी. So sorry, but I'm really glad कि आपका अंडरस्टैंडिंग जो था वो करेक्ट था कि अर्जुन ने एक श्लोक बोला है, बाकी 19 भगवान कृष्ण ने बोले हैं. Okay, so we move to the next question to team Nandgaon, and here is your next question. In how many classes are the transcendentalists divided? 2, 4, 10 or 14? Your time starts now.
Shraddha Mataji, 2, right? Shraddha Mataji?
Yes, Mataji.
2. Revati Mataji, the answer is A, 2.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, before we go to see the right answer, would you like to throw light on who are the two classes of transcendentalists?
Yes, the impersonalist and the personalist.
And with that, I see that the answer is completely correct. So 10
Yes.
points to team Nandgaon. Well done. Okay, we move to the next question to team Govardhan. Here's your question. According to 12.2, who is the most perfect according to Lord Krishna? A, those who fix minds on his personal form. B, those who are worshipping the impersonal Brahman. C, those who are always engaged in worshipping him. D, A and C. Your time starts now.
Amrita Mataji.
I think it's A and C.
Yeah, even I think it's both A and C.
We lock it.
Yeah, we can lock it.
Okay.
A and C.
Mataji, D, A and C.
A and C? So
Yes.
the answer is D according to you?
Yes.
Okay, would you like to tell me which shloka this is before we see the right answer? 12.2, do you remember?
Bhagwan Krishna Uvacha.
Yeah.
Maya Avesha Mano Buddhir.
Okay. Before we do the shloka, let's check the answer. The answer given by Team Govardhan is B, A and C, and that's the right answer. 10 points for Team Govardhan. The shloka is Shri Bhagwan Uvacha Maya Veshya Manoe Mam Nitya Yukta Upasate. So Maya Veshya Manoe Mam, those who fix minds on his personal form, and Nitya Yukta Upasate, those who are always engaged in worshipping him. Shraddhaya parayo petas ye te me yuktatama mataha. So well done, and that's 10 points to Team Govardhan. Let's go to the next question to Team Vrindakund. unmanifested, that which lies beyond the perception of the senses, the all-pervading, inconceivable, fixed, and immovable. These are all descriptions of A, pure devotional service, B, qualities of devotees very dear to Krishna, C, the soul, D, the impersonal conception of absolute truth. Your time starts now.
Yohini Mishra, where are you? Mataji,
B, I think, na?
unmanifested, that which lies beyond the perception of senses, the all-pervading, immovable.
I think it is B.
Okay, go ahead. I think it's B.
B.
Okay, B.
Time over.
B.
What is that? B for Damodar or B
No, B for Bombay.
B for Bombay. So unmanifested, that which lies beyond the perception of the senses, the all-pervading, inconceivable, fixed, and immovable. You are saying these are descriptions of qualities of devotees very dear to Krishna?
Yes.
Okay, let's see if that's the right answer. And I'm so sorry.
I knew it was
Not the right
impersonal.
answer. It is the
Impersonal.
impersonal conception of the absolute truth.
Oh.
That is the because unmanifested, that which lies beyond the perception of the senses, these would not be qualities of devotees.
Mataji, you have shown the answer as A and then impersonal conception of.
Okay, I'm sorry, that's my
It's
mistake.
actually
The answer
D.
is the impersonal
Yes.
conception of absolute truth. So we hear that in the third shloka of the 12th chapter. Yetvaksharam anirdeshyam avyaktam paryupasate sarvatra gamachintyam cha kutastha achalam, immovable, dhruvam, fixed. Okay, so these are described by Krishna as the impersonal conception of absolute truth. Okay, so we are at the end of our round one. Anupama Madhvi Mataji, what is the score, please?
So Barsana is at 0, Nandgaon at 10, Govardhan 10, and Vrinda Devi also. They haven't started their score, which is
Okay, no problem. We have 3 more rounds to go. Coming back to the first question of round 2 to Team Barsana. Just fix your mind upon me, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and engage all your dash in me. Thus, you will live in me always without a doubt. Fill in the blanks. Energy, activities, heart, intelligence. Your time starts now.
Prabhuji, energy, na?
एक्टिविटी होना चाहिए ना.
Just fix your mind upon me, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and engage all your energy in me. Will live in me always without a doubt. और activities है क्या?
मेरे को ऐसा लगता है.
Activities, na? Energy in me, thus you will be.
Time over.
हरी बोल. सिद्धार्चना माता जी, आपके टीम का फाइनल आंसर बताइए.
B for
Mataji, activities, I think.
activities.
1 second. Shraddha Mata ji, it's not your team turn.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Okay,
I
but
thought it's
Siddharchana
time
Mata
up.
ji has already given her answer. B, activities, right?
Yes.
Okay, are you sure, Mataji? Are you taking a chance? Is there a doubt?
Yeah, slight doubt I have. Okay, energy.
No problem, because Krishna says you will live in me always without a doubt. So Krishna can have no doubt. We may have a doubt. And the answer is B, intelligence. I'm so sorry. It's the incorrect answer. The shloka is Maya Eva Mana Adhatsva Mai Buddhim Niveshaya. Invest your, engage all your buddhi in me. Fix your mind upon me. Mai eva mana adhatsva. Mai buddhim niveshaya. Nivashishyasi mai eva. Ata urdhva na samshaya. So it's okay, Mataji, you had a doubt. Unfortunately, that did not hold true. So we go to the next team for the next question, and that is Team Nandagaon. Here's your next question. Practice of Bhakti Yoga dash will surely bring one to the stage of love of God. A, under the rules and regulations. B, with the directions of spiritual master. C, both A and B. D, with mercy and endeavor. The time starts now.
Shraddha Mataji, I think the answer is C, A and B both. Do you agree?
Okay, Mataji.
C, yes? You agree, right?
Yes, fine.
Okay, Revati Mataji, the answer is C, both A and B.
Okay, let's see if that's the right answer. And you've done it again. It's both A and B. As we see in the purport of 12.9, it is that the practice of Bhakti Yoga under the rules and regulations with the direction of a spiritual master will surely bring one to the stage of love of God. So well done, Team Nandagaon. We move to the next question to Team Govardhan. Here's your question. A pure devotee takes the distress and disturbance as a consciousness, karma, Lord's mercy, or service to the Lord. Your time starts now.
Amrita Mataji, it's C, Lord's mercy.
Is it
Do you
karma? Karma, I think, na?
No, it's distress and disturbance. So it's
Distress
Lord's
and
mercy.
disturbance. Na?
It's Lord's mercy.
Okay. Okay.
You feel it's karma?
Not sure. Okay, Lord's mercy then.
Yeah, we can go for C.
Okay. Mataji, Lord's mercy.
Amrita Mataji, your final answer is?
Lord's mercy.
If you had another chance, what would it be?
Not sure, Mataji.
Okay, never mind. Always depend on the Lord's mercy because that's the correct answer. And Team Govardhan has got it right. It's the Lord's mercy. So a pure devotee takes the disturbance and distress as the Lord's mercy and thinks that I'm worth even more trouble, but it's the Lord's mercy through which it has been reduced to what I have now. Okay, so well done. And we move to the next question of this round, the last question to Team Vrindakund. The Archa Vigraha is an dash of the Supreme Lord. Instrument, invitation, institution, incarnation.
Incarnation, Yogini Mataji.
Incarnation.
D.
Incarnation.
D. Say D.
D, incarnation.
Yogini Mataji, is this your final answer?
Lalita Mataji, is this final?
Yes.
Incarnation.
See, last time you all had some doubt. You want to check, confirm?
No, we are very sure, Mataji. It's incarnation of this.
Incarnation.
Okay, and that is the perfect answer. The Archa Vigraha is an incarnation of the Supreme Lord. And through this incarnation, the Lord descends in this incarnation to give his mercy upon all of us. So well done. That's the right answer. So Anupama Madhvi Mataji, could you please read out the scores so far?
So we have Barsana at 0 and all the other 3 teams, which is Nandgaon, Govardhan and Vrindakund. No. So Nandgaon is at 20, Govardhan is at 20 and Vrindakund is at 10.
So Nandgaon and Govardhan is going side by side. And let's see if it's an opening answer for Team Barsana. And here is your question of round number 3. What is the meaning of Udasinaha? Free from care, free from pains, free from sorrow, free from envy. The time starts now.
Free from sorrow. Hello? Prabhuji, Udasina.
Partner, you have 30 seconds.
Free from sorrow.
No, Mataji. Free from care.
Time over.
माता जी आप बोलिए. आई डाउट मुझे.
Hare Krishna. Siddharchana Mataji, please tell us the final answer from your side along with Daitya
प्रभु
Parvati.
जी आपको क्या लगता है?
ये लगता है
Mataji, I'm giving you 5 seconds more. Please take a call.
नहीं, मेरे को आई थिंक श्योर है उदासीन.
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 Hari bol Mataji, what would your answer be? What is the meaning of Udasina?
See,
Free from care, free from pain,
free from sorrow.
free from sorrow, free from envy.
Free from sorrow.
Free from sorrow.
My goodness.
And this would mean it's the wrong answer. It is free from care. I'm so sorry, Daitya Pawan Prabhu was almost there. उदास होना नहीं है, ये उदासीनः है. उदासीनः. A devotee never takes the part of a particular party. Therefore, he is carefree. He is udasinah. He is free from care.
Okay, my God. I think
Yeah.
प्रभु जी आप वही बोल रहे थे. I don't know.
No problem, Mataji. We have 2 more rounds. Let's see what happens.
Okay.
So, Udasinaha is not udasona. It is free from care. Okay, not free from sorrow. We move on to the next question to team Nandagaon. Okay. What is the meaning of Adveshta? Non-believer, non-envious, non-violent, non-challenge. Your time starts now.
Mataji, I think non-envious. Asuba Mataji?
Yes, non-envious. Revati Mataji, please lock B, non-envious.
Are you sure it's not non-believer, non-violent, non-challenge? It could
No,
be.
it's non-envious.
Okay. The meaning of Adveshta Sarva Bhutanam Maitra Karuna Evacha Adveshta. The Lord is describing the transcendental qualities of a pure devotee in these verses. And a pure devotee is never disturbed in any circumstances, nor is he envious of anyone. And that's the right answer. Well done.
जो किसी से
Nandagaon.
द्वेष नहीं करता, right?
Okay, well done. And we move on to the next team, that is team Govardhan. Okay, what is the meaning of Shochati? Thinks, laments, works, understands. Time starts now.
Laments, Mataji.
Yes, it's B.
Lock
Laments.
कर. Mataji, please lock B, laments.
You want to use all your time?
No, sure.
Okay, so
Mataji,
your
you're
final
100%
answer.
sure, right?
Yes, laments.
Okay, Hari.
What is the meaning of Shochati? Your final answer is
B, laments.
B, laments. Text 17. Yo na hrishyati na dveshti na shochati na kankshati. Shochati means laments, and we hear that in chapter 2 as well. Na shvam shochati Arjuna. So many. Na tvam shochati. So many shlokas are there. No svam shochati arhasi. So you're right on that. Laments is the right answer, and 10 well-deserved points to team Govardhan. And now we come to the next question, the last question to the last team of this round number 3. To team Vrindakund, what is the meaning of Samudharta? Deliverer, believer, controller, collector. Your time starts now.
Prabhuji, controller.
This is for team Vrindakund. Siddharchana Mataji.
Sorry, I thought Batsana.
You have no points to lose, unfortunately.
Lalita Mataji, what is the answer?
I don't know, yeah. I think it's maybe, I thought it's
I think
deliver.
controller, no?
Maybe. Go ahead with it.
Controller.
I'm not sure, but go ahead.
Time over.
Controller.
Time over. What is your final answer, Yogini Mishra Mataji?
Controller.
Team
Controller.
Vrindakund? Controller. Let's hear the shloka. Tesham aham समुद्धर्ता मृत्यु संसार सागरात् भवामि न चिरात् पार्थ मय्यावेशित चेतसाम् तेषामहं समुद्धर्ता. He is the swift deliverer from the ocean of birth and death. Chirat Partha.
I thought it was deliverer, but then
Never mind. Maya Veshita Chetasam. Fix your mind upon Krishna. That's most important. Okay? No problem. So at the end of round 3, Anu Mataji, Anupama Madhvi Mataji, could you please tell us the scores?
So we have Barsana at 0, Nandgaon at 30, Govardhan at 30, and Vrindakund at 10.
Okay, no problem. Is it fun, the quiz? I'm sorry, there is no Kaun Banega Krishna Bhakt music and lights, but whatever best we could put up, we've done that. Are you all enjoying it?
Yes, yes, Mataji, we are enjoying it.
Okay.
Anya Abhilashita Shunya.
Yes.
Very nice. Okay. We move to the next round. That's the 4th round. And the first question to team Barsana. In Bhagavad Gita 12.10, Lord Krishna states, if you cannot practice the regulations of Bhakti Yoga, then just try to give up results of your work unto me, cultivate knowledge of me, be self-situated in me, work for me. Time starts now.
प्रभु जी आपको क्या लगता है? हेलो हरि बोल प्रभु जी.
लगता है मुझे ए.
हाँ
ए.
हरि बोल. यस टेल मी.
ए लगता है माता जी. ए
मुझे भी वही लग रहा था. ओके, लेट अस गो विद दैट ए. ओके, हरि बोल माता जी, इट्स ए. गिव अप ऑल रिजल्ट्स ऑफ योर वर्क अनटू मी.
Okay, well, I'm really sorry. The correct answer is work for me. If you cannot practice the regulations of Bhakti Yoga, then just try to work for me, because by working for me, you will come to the perfect stage. It says here in the purport, one who is not able even to practice the regulative principles of Bhakti Yoga under the guidance of a spiritual master can still be drawn to this perfectional stage by working for the Supreme Lord. Okay, so abhyase api asamorthosi mat karma parama bhava madartham api karmani.
Even the A.
12.8.
Yeah, because even the A has work unto me.
That is, give up results of your work unto me.
Unto me. So this is work for me, right?
Yeah, work for me. So in chapter 12, भगवान कृष्णा हमको बहुत ऑप्शंस देते हैं. सबसे उच्च स्तर पे एक ऑप्शन है, वो नहीं कर पाओ तो दूसरा ऑप्शन, वो नहीं कर पाओ तो तीसरा ऑप्शन. तो पांच अलग अलग स्टेजेस देते हैं हमें.
And the last is you would just work for me.
No, this is not the last, Mataji. It is not the last. Maybe after 2-3 questions I can reveal the answer, because the other 2 questions we might be giving a hint to the other ones. So
okay.
We move on to the next question to team Nandgaon. Oh, in Bhagavad Gita 12.12, Lord Krishna advises that if we cannot take directly to bhakti, he can follow stage of meditation, then knowledge, then stage of Supreme Personality Godhead, then understanding the Super Soul. Or stage of meditation, then knowledge, then understanding Super Soul, then stage of Supreme Personality of Godhead. Or understanding Super Soul, stage of meditation, knowledge, and then stage of Supreme Personality of Godhead. D, stage of knowledge, meditation, understanding Super Soul, and then stage of Supreme Personality of Godhead. Challenging question to the leading team. Time starts now.
माता जी, सुबह माता जी, आपको क्या लग रहा है?
I think it's D, the last one.
हाँ, B ना?
The last one, D for Delhi. D for Delhi.
पर माता जी पहले ध्यान, फिर ध्यान योग, फिर
meditation,
फिर भक्ति योग है ना माता जी?
D. I think it's D.
B, मुझे भी B लग रहा है.
नहीं, D D for Delhi, Mataji.
Okay, Mataji, you decide, please.
I think it's D for Delhi. If you're leaving it to me, then I think D is the correct
Okay,
answer.
okay, Mataji. Please go ahead.
Please,
Go ahead,
who is the spokesperson for team Nandgaon?
D is the correct answer, according to me.
Mataji, it is not according to you, it is according to Krishna, and that's the right answer. If you cannot take to this practice, then engage yourself in the cultivation of knowledge. Better than knowledge, however, is meditation. Better than meditation is renunciation of the fruits of action. For by such renunciation, one can attain peace of mind. So
Yes.
Krishna, Prabhupada ji in the purport explains, for those who are actually not able to follow the principles of Krishna consciousness, it is better to cultivate knowledge, because by knowledge, one can understand his real position. Gradually, knowledge will develop to the point of meditation. By meditation, one can understand the Supreme Personality of Godhead by a gradual process. These are processes which make one understand that one himself, there are processes which make one understand that one himself is the supreme, and that sort of meditation is preferred if one is unable to engage in devotional service. So very, very well done. It was a lot of options and it was very well decided by you, Hasuba Mataji and Shraddha Mataji. Well done. Next question to team Govardhan. The stress is on team Govardhan to perform Bhagavad Gita 12.20 translation. He who follows this dash path of devotional service, I'm sorry, I can't read my screen right now. He who follows this dash path of devotional service and who completely engages himself with dash, making me the supreme goal, is very, very dear to me. Time starts now.
Imperishable आणि fifth.
अमृता माताजी मला वाटतं imperishable आणि determination. He who follows this imperishable path of devotional service and who completely engages himself with determination. मला वाटतं A आहे. तुम्हाला C वाटतंय?
श्रद्धा वाटते मला. हो, faith आहे असं वाटतंय. C वाटतंय.
Faith. मला A वाटतंय.
Time over.
C करू?
Okay, team Govardhan. What is your final answer, ladies?
हा ठीक आहे. ठीक आहे, C करा माताजी. पण मला A आणि C मध्ये अजून कन्फ्युजन आहे. पण तुम्ही बघा.
Spokesperson, what would be the final answer, please? Who is the spokesperson?
या माताजी.
अमृता माताजी.
काय करू?
Yes. What is the final answer from team Govardhan?
I think A करा.
Okay.
I'm counting
माताजी
5.
A. A माताजी.
Let me say the shloka. Your answer is A? Okay. Ye tu dharmamritam idam amritam. That's right. Imperishable. Yathoktam paryupasate.
Mataji, can I change? I think it's C.
Shraddha dhana mat parama. Shraddha Mataji, what is the meaning of your name?
Faith.
Faith. Shraddha dhana mat parama bhaktas me tiva bhaktas te tiva me priyaha. The right answer was imperishable and faith. So sorry about that. You were almost there, but no problem. Make Krishna the supreme goal and you will be very, very dear to him. Okay. So we move to the next round. But before that, Anupama Madhvi Mataji, what is the score so far?
No, but Govardhan, now Amrita Mataji they got
1
10
minute.
points.
Vrindakund is left. Sorry.
Yes, but what was the score now? Now they got it right or they got it wrong?
They got it wrong. They said imperishable and determination. It was imperishable and Shraddha Dhana, faith.
Okay.
Okay, so now we go to the next question for team Vrindakund. Here it is. He for whom no one is put into difficulty and who is not disturbed by anxiety, who is steady in happiness and distress, is very dear to me, is swiftly delivered by me, is very, very dear to me, is most perfect in my opinion. Time starts now.
Lalita Mataji, I think it's D, no? Lalita Mataji.
Listening. I think it's B.
D or D?
Yeah, D. We'll go with D.
D for Delhi.
Time over.
D for Delhi, Mataji.
Time is over.
Yes, D.
Huh?
D for Delhi.
D for Damodar.
Yes.
Sure.
Okay, one moment.
No, I think.
Okay, this is 12.15. Yasman nodvijate loko, loka nodvijate
No, very dear.
harsha
Wrong.
pacchabhayo
Wrong.
mukta yasa me
No, very dear. A.
The
Wrong.
correct answer is A. And so you
A.
do not get the points. So Lord Krishna keeps saying that is very dear to me, very dear to me, very dear to me. So he says in the 13th and 14th, so basically from 13th shloka to 20th shloka, Lord Krishna describes all the qualities of his devotees, of his pure devotees. And so 13, 14, he says, 15 he says Bhakta Same Priyah. 15 he said Mukto Sa Cha Me Priyah. 16 he said Bhakta Same Priyah. 17 he said Bhaktiman Yasa Me Priyah. And 18, 19 he said Bhaktiman Me Priyo Naraha. And in the last one he says Bhaktastetivya me priyaha. So everywhere he's saying is very dear to me.
Dear to me.
And the one which you selected is most perfect in my opinion, is the one in which he says yuktata me mataha, which is to be most perfect. That is the second one. As soon as Arjuna asks which of the two are better, he says maya vesha manoe mam nitya yukta pasate shraddhaya parayote petas te mem yuktata mamatah. Okay, so the answer was is very dear to me. So Anupama Madhvi Mataji, we are awaiting the scores. Sneha Mataji, please switch on your video. No participants to be without video, please. You get a shock.
So Barsana is at 0, Nandgaon at 40, they're leading. Govardhan at 30 and Vrindakund at 10.
Okay. We go to the last round of this quiz. It's to team. Which team, Arjun? Team Barsana. Say Barsana.
Barsana.
Okay. What is the meaning of Daksha? Experienced, eccentric, expert, extreme. Your time starts now.
Prabhuji, experienced?
Arjun, don't do this.
एक्सपीरियंस्ड और एक्सपर्ट में मुझे डाउट है.
Arjun, no, Babu.
Extreme.
एक्सट्रीम में एक्सपर्ट.
Expert. Acha. You're saying expert. We'll go for expert.
Stop. Sit here. See.
Time over.
Time
Time over.
Sudarshana Mataji, please let me know the final answer.
Daksha, I had read. Prabhuji, I'll go with expert.
या मेरे हिसाब से तो वही होना चाहिए.
Okay. C, expert.
What is the meaning of Daksha? Anapeksha Suchir Daksha Udasino Gata Vyataha. Is it experienced? Say no. No. Is it loudly?
No.
Is it eccentric? Say no. Say loudly.
No.
Is it extreme?
No.
Is it expert? Say yes.
Yes.
Yes, that's the right answer. Well done, team.
Thank you, Prabhuji.
Barsana ऐसी कृपा करो श्री राधे.
We have opened our account finally.
This is the quiz account, but I'm sure your spiritual account is much.
Yeah, it's a very nice experience. Now we'll never forget.
All right, so well done, team Barsana. And we move to the next team, Team Nandagaon. Let's see if this question will be too hard for you to handle. None so far. Let's see what this one brings for you. In Bhagavad Gita 12.5, Lord Krishna states, for those whose minds are attached to the unmanifested impersonal feature of the Supreme, advancement is very troublesome, rare, blissful, natural. Time starts now. Hasuba Mataji and Shraddha Mataji.
Yes.
Mataji, I think it's troublesome.
Yes, it is A.
Yes.
It is troublesome. Yes. Revati Mataji, please lock please lock A, troublesome.
Okay, please lock A, troublesome. Klesho dhikataras. Klesho, that's right. Troublesome is the right answer. And a superb performance by Nandagaon team. You all have had all 100% correct answers. Oh. No, I can't come. And then, okay, so that was the right answer. We need a small 30-second break for me. One moment. I'm just coming back. Just one moment. Oh, this one. This one. No, Arjun, I cannot. Please go here. Okay, thank you for excusing me. The next question goes to team
Govardhan.
Govardhan. What can be done if there are impediments to accepting Krishna consciousness? One should perform severe austerities. One should be faithful. One should try to give up the results of his actions. One should approach a spiritual master. Your time starts now.
One should try to give up the results of his actions.
सेम मला
C
पण
ना?
तेच वाटलेलं सी. हा पण तरी एकदा परत एकदा विचार करा.
C से.
पक्का ना 100%? Okay.
Mataji, please lock C. One should try to give up the results of his actions.
One should try to give up results of his actions. One moment. Okay. So that would be Sarva Karma Phalatyagam. And that's the right answer. Well done, Team Govardhan. So in the purport, Srila Prabhupada explains, it may be that one is unable to even to sympathize with the activities of Krishna consciousness because of social, familial, or religious considerations, or because of some other impediments. If one attaches himself directly to the activities of Krishna consciousness, there may be objections from family members or so many other difficulties. For one who has such a problem, and many of us may have that problem, it is advised that he sacrifice the accumulated result of his activities to some good cause. Such procedures are described in the Vedic rules. So that's the right answer, Team Govardhan. And the last question to Team Vrindakund. Bhagavad Gita 12.19, a devotee is called Sthira because he is fixed in his faith and actions, he is fixed in his knowledge and chanting, he is fixed in his determination and knowledge, he is fixed in his determination and worship. Time starts now.
Determination and knowledge.
Yes. C.
C.
Yeah. Mataji, lock in C.
C. Determination and knowledge.
Okay. Tulyanindastu tirmoni santushto yena kenachit aniketa sthira matir bhaktiman me priyo naraha. And that's the right answer, Team Vrindakund. Well done.
Thank God.
And we come to the end of our quiz for chapter 12. So, Anupama Madhvi Mataji, please declare the final scores and the ranks.
Yes, so we start with Barsana, who's at 10, then followed by Vrinda Kund at 20, Govardhan at 40, and Nandgaon leads the game at 50. 3 cheers for Nandgaon.
Haribol.
Haribol.
Anyone
Haribol.
remembers Nand Gaon so Gaon, Gaon nahi? Anyone remembers that? What is that saying that Vrajvasi?
Krishna. Nandgaon is Krishna.
Anyone remembers that couplet? I think Krishna Mataji might remember that. Because the puja, the pandas, they keep saying that whenever you go there. Haribol, Mataji. I can't remember it. It is Nandgaon, so Gaon nahi, something. So well done, Nandgaon team. And thank you very much. And I hope this was a nice learning for us all. It was for me, at least while
Very
preparing
nice,
the quick
very nice
questions.
learning.
Very
Very
nice.
nice.